water and sanitation spoke to us about the kind of apps which were being generated to monitor Jal Jeevan Mission, SBM, which was basically focusing on dynamic reporting. In rural development, actually there are three layers. The government of India monitors the same data, the state government monitors the same data, and at the local body level also we monitor the same data. So now the challenge for us is each one of these layers we are trying to implement AI or trying to speak with the data and infer something. But the three layers need to speak to each other and come to conclusions. So the talk here now for me is to discuss about the possibilities which AI can bring, and how all these departments together can collaborate and speak to each other to make for more action. What we are imagining is a system that can alert you if someone builds a house but skips toilet. So often now when we are looking at schemes, we are looking at them in silos. So if there is a PMAY beneficiary, we are focusing on how many people don't have houses, but we are sometimes missing that these houses also need a toilet. So this particular beneficiary is not just a PMAY beneficiary, but also an SBM beneficiary. So that kind of talking in between the data and through the surveys is right now missing. So with AI, we are hoping, or we are in our rural development department in Tamil Nadu, trying to collate this data so that a planning at a very at a level which converges and which speaks to each other happens. We are also looking at dashboards which show panchayat level performance, which are below district average. In Tamil Nadu, there are more than 12,000 panchayats, and the actual field staff and the actual work happens at the panchayat level. So while we at our level try to monitor with our available data and resources, a more coherent, a more holistic approach to development is what we are looking at. We are trying to think of a chatbot that can answer in Tamil to our panchayat secretaries or overseers where the actual work happens.